All right, your flapper valve is bad. Maybe it's letting the toilet run constantly and you hear the fill valve kick on a little too often. Maybe it's difficult to operate, or it's closing too quickly no matter your water level. Maybe it's got some sort of damage to it, I don't know, but it's time to replace it. On the side of the flush valve, this white tube, there are two posts that the flapper valve either clips onto or slides onto one way or another. This particular one, it clips on. And we're going to need to clip those, to pop those off, and then we're going to need to remove the chain from the handle to install the new one. Next thing you want to do is make sure that its mating surface right here is smooth and not damaged, or there's no debris caught on there or from the water supply. And once that's clean and you're good, all right, this type of flapper has two holes that go over those posts. I know you can't really see this clearly, but we'll get that on there like that. And once those are in position, we can get the chain where it needs to go. Now I've already pre-adjusted the chain, but it might take you a couple of shots to get the tension on it just right. And that should take care of it. Turn on your supply valve, fill the tank, and you're ready to go.